Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are going back with our M18 smartwatch, and this time we are going to check one of its features, the Bluetooth call, as well as the message notification. So we are going to check whether this function works or not. It is using the Zoom Fit application we have here, and we will try to set it so we can receive a Bluetooth call as well as the push or smart notifications. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop the comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. Again, the smartwatch, the M18, do have support for smart notification, as you can see here, or push notifications. We also have a Bluetooth call with support for contacts, record. So this one is a call record. And we have here a dial pad. So this one, it is a call history. So we'll check, okay, if it works. We have here the support app. Again, it is using the Fit support app. So let's try and check. So we have here the dial market. Let's activate. As you can see here, it's not yet set. So let's try to set social reminder. Let's activate. So it is asking for notification access. Let's activate the notification access. As you can see here, it's already activated. Then, okay, there's a lot of apps supported, as you can see here. We'll leave it as it is. Incoming calls. Let's activate. Confirm. Allow access to your phone call log. So we have your permission. Allow it. Allow Fit to access your contacts. Allow it. Allow Fit to make and manage phone calls. Allow it. Go back. And we have SMS notification. Tap on SMS. Let's activate this also. And allow permission. Okay. Then allow Fit to send and view SMS messages. Allow it. Okay, seems like everything is okay now. Let's double check. Let's check it here. Then Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Okay, as you can see here, it is set. Let's activate also the audio calls, and contact access. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's send a message. Let's start with our Instagram. It's now loading. Let's send a message here. Again, this is M18. So let's try. So this is our first try. Let's see if it works. Hello, M18. Okay, send a message. Okay, message sent. And we have it here. And we have a logo, as you can see. So we have the message here. Okay, let's set this first. Let's see if we have the time here. Seems like the screen, the display time is very short. Okay, we'll make it 25. No, 30. Okay. So again, hello. Message sent, and we have it here. Okay. So it works with Instagram. How about the Telegram? Then hello M18. Can we receive a message? Message sent. Okay, we did not receive any messages from Telegram. Again, hello, nothing. Did we receive any message? No. So there's no support for Telegram. Okay, none. Okay, did not work with Telegram. Again, let's check it here. Let's check from the support app. Social reminder, Skype, Kakao Talk. We do have here the Telegram, but it did not work. Okay, Telegram, other news. Let's activate this one. There's a separate Telegram here, as you can see. Okay, let's try again. Hello, message sent, and we have it here now. Okay, so it worked. Okay, you just have to adjust some on the support app, and we also have here the incoming calls. Okay, so it works again. That's good. Then Viber. Okay, let's try. As you can see here, okay, it is our first try with the app or with the push notification for the smartwatch. We did not edit our video, so you can see what we are experiencing when we first try this feature. Okay, the push notifications. Hello, M18. Message sent. And we have it here. Okay, it works. How about the call? We'll be able to receive a missed call. Let's see. And we have it here. Okay, so it works also with the Viber application. Next, WhatsApp application. Let's send a message. Hello, M18. Working. And we have it here. Okay. Then let's try to call. It's now calling. Okay, so it works as you can see here. Okay, nice. And the last one, we have the messenger. So far, as you can see here, it can store a lot of information or notifications. Hello, M18. Message sent. Is it working? Right, did not work. Hello. Okay, we did not receive any messenger notifications. Let's try again here. Okay, we have Zimofit. Let's check. Okay, there's no option here. How about here? We have Telegram, Viber, DingTalk. We do have a Facebook here, but we don't have a messenger. I don't know why they did not add it here. Okay, we don't have the messenger support. I wonder why. It's a popular application. We only have here a Facebook. Maybe it's just the same. I don't know. Okay. No, it did not work. Again, let's try. Did we receive our messenger notifications here? Yes, we have here messenger. Let's try to call. Okay, I will show it to you here. As you can see, we have a notifications here on our other phone, but we did not receive any notifications here. Let's try. Okay, no, none. We did not receive any messenger notifications. Okay, That is so sad. Disappointing. It's a popular application, but we don't have it here. Okay, I hope the company with the smartwatch will notice it, that it did not work with the messenger. Okay, so again, so it works with Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, but it did not work with the messenger. Okay, let's try to send a message. SMS. Okay, so let's send a message here. Hello, M18. Message. Let's see. Message sent, and we have it here. Okay, so the push notifications or the SMS notification works. Hello. And we have it here. Okay. Nice. Okay, as you can see, the app notifications and the SMS notification works with our M18 smartwatch. Okay, next, we will try to see if the Bluetooth call works with the smartwatch. So we have here our Bluetooth call feature. Okay, so let's start. Let's check if the Bluetooth call works. We have here our contacts. So as you can see, it's still empty. We don't have a call record, but we have a dial pad here. Okay, so let's try to add the contacts. Let's go to the support app. Okay, so tap on the device here. More features. Let's try to see if we can add a number. Long press to delete. Address book. Okay. So we'll add this number. Then we'll add also this number. Okay, one only. Oh, make it two. Then import. Let's see if we'll have a phone number here. Okay, let's check. Telephone. And we have two contacts here. Okay. So let's try to call the number here. And let's see if we can receive a call on our smartwatch. Okay, so it works as you can see here. Okay. Let's see if we have a call record also. Yes, it works. Okay, next. Contacts. Let's call the number. Okay, not that one, this one. We expect that we can receive a call here. Okay, in our phone. It's now dialing as you can see. And as you can see here. Okay, so the contacts work. And nice. Then dial pad. Okay, so what is the number here? 0919 80920094. Okay, is it correct? Okay, it works also. And call. Nice. And the last one, we'll try to call this number again, and we will accept the call and see if the speaker is okay or not. Okay. Okay, so someone is calling. Let's answer the call. Hello. The Bluetooth call works. Bye. Okay, so that's it for our Bluetooth call, and so far it works. The push notification also works, as well as the app notification. So far we do have a good result for our Bluetooth call, as well as the push notifications for our M18 smartwatch. Again, so if you have any questions regarding the M18 smartwatch or the ZMove Fit app, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.